this song came out, and like when I wrote the song, I was like, okay, this is a good song. I like this song. This is great. Like, never once thought that it would be like this a hit, like a radio song, because it was this small, tiny little thing, you know. But thankfully, I was wrong. But when I wrote the song, it was literally about a girl named Delilah who is from Chicago. I think the mayor said she lives in Elmhurst. I think he's full of crap. I don't think that's true. But I do know she's back in the area somewhere. But anyway, I met her here in Chicago. A friend of mine was we were going to a concert downtown at the House of Blues, Lucky Boys Confusion. We're going to a Lucky Boys show. Me and my friend Kim. And she was like, hey, is it okay if we pick up my friend Delilah? Like, she's going back to school tomorrow, she's got nothing to do tonight, like, she wants to come to the show. Awesome, cool. So we pull up to this girl Delilah's house. She walks out of her house, and I'm like, Kim, who is this girl? I've never met her before. She was just beautiful, she was so nice, and she like glowed, you know? And so the whole night, I'm just kind of like, you know, kind of being cute and trying to be funny with her and whatever. And at the end of the night, we dropped her off, and I'm like, you know what, I've got a song about you. And she was like, cool, whatever, you know, it's very awkward, like, that's like my game, you know, it's like, trying to be real smooth with her. But she went back to school in New York City the next day, and we kept in touch. Do you guys know what AOL Instant Messenger? So we kept in touch on AIM, and she would always ask me, like, where's my song? Where's my song? Show me my song. And so I was like, I gotta write this girl a song, you know, I gotta do this. She kind of like pushed me into it. And literally all I knew about her was that she was pretty and she went to school in New York City. So the whole first line of the song just kind of like poured out of me. And then it was like, oh no, this is really good. What do I do? Like, that's all I know about this girl, kind of. So then I wrote the rest of the song like, okay, if I was in this long distance relationship with this person, like, what would I say? You know, I'm in a band, I'm on tour all the time, so someday I'll pay the bills with this guitar. You know, it's like I just came up with some of these little scenarios, like, if we were together, if I was in this thing. And so I finished the song, and like I said, I was like, oh, this is pretty good, I love this song. And by the way, she had a boyfriend this whole time. That's one thing I might have, it's a detail I should have included there. So she got a boyfriend, and so I'm like, it's very innocent, like, I'm like, okay, is she gonna leave her boyfriend? I hope so, but, you know, probably not. But, so anyway, so the song is done, we record the song, I waited until we actually had, like, an advanced copy of our actual album with that song on it, and then I hit her up, I'm like, hey, can I come over? She was home, it was around Christmas break, and I was like, hey, can I come over? I got something for you. And so I literally brought it over to her house. Funny, weird little detail. I'd never been in her house before. I went in and we sat in this room that was like, I swear to God, like hundreds of like little weird porcelain dolls in the room. It was very like, I couldn't even concentrate and enjoy this moment with Delilah because I'm like, this is creepy and weird. All these dolls, but you know, there's probably her mom or her aunt or something. Anyway, so I give her the CD, she looks at it, there's Hey There Delilah, and she was like, oh my God, and we kind of talked a little bit, and then I left, because I'm not gonna like listen to it while I stand here. So I left, and then a couple days later, I hear back from her, and she's like, oh my God, this is so beautiful, like I don't know what are you expecting, kind of? And I was like, no, I just wanted to write like a song that was as pretty as you are. That's what I told her. So, yeah, very cool. And one more stupid little detail. Before I wrote a note of the song, when she was bugging me, where's my song? I told her one time, I'm like, you know what? I am gonna write the song, and it's gonna be the song that gets us famous, and you're gonna be my date for the Grammys. And literally before a single note of the song was written. And all of those things actually came true. So, very cool. Yeah. Thank you. And I'm pretty sure that she's married to that boyfriend. So I don't know what that guy was doing, but I couldn't sneak in there, that's for sure. But anyway, got this song out of it, and these guys are gonna help me. They're gonna back me up here. Give it up for your And then after this song, like I said, don't go anywhere. I'm gonna leave for a few minutes, but the band's all gonna come back out here. We're gonna answer some questions from you guys and stuff and hang a little bit. So don't leave. But here we go. This is the last song of the night. This is Hey There Delilah. Hey there Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can't shine as bright as you, I swear it's true. Hey there Delilah, don't you worry about the distance, I'm right there. If you get lonely, give this song another listen. Close your eyes, listen to my voice, it's my disguise. I'm by your side. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Hey there Delilah, I know times are getting hard. Just believe me girl, someday I'll pay the bills with this guitar. We'll have it good. We'll have the life we knew we would. My word is good. Hey there Delilah, I've got so much left to say. If every simple song I wrote to you would take your breath away, I'd write it all. Even more in love with me you'd fall. We'd have it all. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and cars. I walk to you if I had no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us, and we'll just laugh along because we know that none of them have felt this way. Delilah, I can promise you, by the time we get through, the world will never ever be the same. You're to blame. Hey there Delilah, you'll be good and don't you miss me. 2 more years and you'll be done with school. I'll be making history like I do. You'll know it's all because of you. We can do whatever we want to. Hey there Delilah, here's to you.